Hey everyone, welcome back to another product video for this 9.3 inch dash cam. I already had this dash cam for over 4 months now, and I must say this is a great dash cam. I love how big that the screen is, and the video quality of the dash cam is very clear and sharp, that you're even able to read the license plates of the cars as you're driving. So this dash cam works both with CarPlay and with Android Auto. You can see here it has your recorder, your playback, and your audio output, and you're even able to do AirPlay, Android Cast, Bluetooth music, and the playback video via Wi-Fi through your phone. And this also has a speaker on the back of the mount. This comes either with a suction cup mount or a dash mount that you permanently attach on your dashboard. So it also comes with a little screwdriver to attach this mount to your dash cam, and it has the charger port also. This is how the back looks. So this is the dash cam. You can either lower it or raise it depending on the height of your dash. Here's where you charge it. You're also able to, here's your SD card slot, which is not included. Here's your auxiliary port, and then you have another option if you want to attach a rear camera to the back of this. So look at the quality of the dash cam. It's nice and clear and wide, so you get the whole view on the dash cam. Night vision works very well also, and it shows you the time and the date also. So you can see here that I connected my Android phone to the screen, and it works as the Android Auto on here. You go through all the apps. There's a map feature, the time, the signal, the battery, your Google, and here's my dash cam. You're also able to set the screen to either do split screen for Android Auto and dash cam, or full dash cam, or full Android Auto. So to get out of here, you press this button, press the home, video playback. You can see how clear that the video looks on the dash cam, that you can read all the license plates very clearly on the cars. Overall, this is a great dash cam. I like how big that the screen is. I like how clear that the video is recorded on the dash cam. And I like how this works with either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Installation is very easy. I like how it also gives you the option to either use the suction cup mount or the regular mount. They're both great options. And I also like how you're able to play back the videos either from the screen or using the Wi-Fi capabilities to play back via Wi-Fi through your cell phone.